So closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in and breathing out slowly, slowly. And taking another deep breath in and breathing out slowly. And take one more deep breath in. And as you do, and as you breathe out, just ground down into this present moment. Being aware of all the work you've done so far. Deconstructing, reviewing, shifting this belief and this story that you would like to shift further now. And I want you to bring that belief that you would like to shift. And we're going to do this quickly and easily. If you can go ahead and make sure you know what your belief is. And as you view your belief in your mind's eye, I want you to notice the charge that it holds in your body. And make a note. And if you could rate that out of 10, 10 out of 10 would be it's distressing, it has a strong hold, a bigger charge in the body. 0 out of 10 would be neutral. And you can leave that now. And now I want you to visualize a giant dry erase board. And you have a dry erase marker. And I want you to pick a color, whatever color comes to mind. And the first color that comes to mind is the right color for you. And I want you to write the limiting belief or the story on the dry erase board with the color that came to mind for you. And I want you to really imagine yourself writing on this giant dry erase board so that you can see it clearly in your mind's eye. And then I want you to pick another color. So whatever color comes to mind is the right color for you. And go ahead and pick up the next marker in the new color. And I want you to color out that limiting belief or that story that's no longer serving you. And so you're going to mark it out completely. Draw over it with your new color, scribble over it so that you can't see anything at all underneath the new color. And so that the limiting belief or story is no longer visible. And the little shreds of dry erase marker from the marker that you used is all over the dry erase board. And those shreds of the marker is your limiting belief, your story. It's falling to the ground. And the little shreds of dry erase marker from the marker that you used for your limiting belief, it's falling to the ground, out of sight. And now there's nothing left but the new color that's marking out the belief. And then I want you to imagine a giant knife coming out of the sky and cutting the board in half. And then it cuts it into 4 pieces. And then imagine a giant gust of wind blowing all of the pieces of the board flying out into the air. And the wind keeps blowing, and it keeps blowing and blowing. And suddenly the board is pushed out, outside of our atmosphere. It's crushed into so many pieces that it's like it doesn't exist anymore. It's gone and transmuted into energy for the highest good of all living things. And I want you to take a few deep breaths now. So breathing in. And as you're breathing out, just breathing out any other dregs, any other tendrils, any other cords of that belief, that story, and just breathing that out of your body, out of your mind. Just letting it float off into the universe. Just transmute it into energy. And take one more deep breath in. And as you do, just place your hand over your heart as an anchor point. And as you're breathing in and out, big deep breaths, I want you to repeat in your mind this new story, this new belief, this new way of being. And I want you to feel that in your heart space. Knowing that you have all the answers inside of you. It's not holding onto you, you're holding onto it. And you can let go of it at any moment and change your belief. And when you're ready, you can come back into your body and maybe wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. And I want you to find that old belief or that old story you came in with in your mind's eye. And just notice where the charge is. And how would you compare that now from where it was before if you could give it a number? And when you're ready, you can take a stretch. Shake out your arms and open your eyes.